For number 24, we're given a graph and we don't really have precise information about the zeros or the intercepts because it's kind of zoomed out. So this question is really trying to help us focus on what the end behavior of a graph will look like based off of its function. And there's a nice little chart here that explains how end behavior of a graph will go. The pictures are really very helpful. So with the leading term, the dominating term we'll call it, it has the highest exponent. If that has an odd exponent, and if the coefficient, the number multiplied by it, is positive, the end of the graph will look like this. Who knows what it does in the middle? That's why this dotted line is shown here dashed like this. It can do anything in the middle. It could go up and down and several times. But the end, when you get all the way to the right, it's going to shoot up, and when you get all the way to the left, it'll shoot down. If that coefficient was negative and we still have an odd exponent, again, who knows what it does in the middle, but on the left it shoots up and on the right it shoots down. If that dominating term has an even exponent, we can again look at that coefficient. And if it's positive, who knows what happens in the middle, but both ends are going to go up. And if it's negative coefficient, who knows what happens in the middle, but both ends will go down. So here we have both ends of the graph. As we get all the way to the left, it goes up, and as we go all the way to the right, it goes up as well. So both going up, both in the same direction, indicates that it's even, an even exponent. And then since they're both going up, that's how we know the leading coefficient needs to be positive. And so here we have an even exponent, and the leading coefficient is positive.